New COVID-19 numbers from the Tennessee Department of Health. Right now, there are over 3,800 people in hospitals across the state with COVID-19. 1,075 of them are in ICU units, and over 750 are in such serious condition they need to be on ventilators. Numbers like these have led to action from Washington. President Biden will mandate around 100 million Americans to be vaccinated in an effort to combat the COVID-19 crisis. News 2's Gerald Harris is here to explain the new rule and what that means for some private sector employees, healthcare workers, and federal contractors. Gerald?
Bob, reaction has been swiftly coming in, with some still trying to figure out the new mandate. Others say it's needed to protect everyone. The new rule from President Joe Biden's administration requires all employers with more than 100 workers to have all employees vaccinated or tested weekly, which is about 80 million Americans. The rule also requires 17 million healthcare workers at facilities that receive Medicare or Medicaid to be vaccinated. And federal contractors will also be required to vaccinate in order to do business with the federal government.
I was encouraged. We need to beat this pandemic. It's taken too many of our friends and neighbors.
Memphis Representative and Democrat Steve Cohen says he welcomes the action from President Biden.
I'm sure there will be people that challenge it. I feel sure the judges will say the president is acting within his authority. It's been done before. There is precedent, and the president has that authority and his job.
But Republican Representative Scott Desjardins says Biden is overstepping his authority, releasing a statement in part saying this is an egregious government overreach. Every American should have the opportunity to consult with their doctor to determine if the COVID-19 vaccine is the best choice for their personal health.
I hate the idea of a mandate, period.
And there's some concern from the general public about the mandate and whether it will achieve its intended purpose.
I'm afraid of the whole, how do I protect your rights as well as protect their rights? And so you're on two different sides. So it's really kind of tough.
Now, the far-reaching rule requires large companies to comply with the mandate in weekly testing for the unvaccinated or face a fine of $14,000 per violation. Companies must also provide for paid time off for employees to be vaccinated. Bob?